Pickling is such an easy, wonderful thing to do. I think people overcomplicate it, but it's actually very simple. I want you to try it at home. Now, I'm gonna do it today with one of my favorite ingredients. I mean, they're just adorable. I actually think these were designed to just make you happy. So I've got some Qukes here, and I think they're called Qukes because they're so cute. I mean, look at this. The great thing is you can eat the whole thing. There is absolutely no wastage. So simply, I'm going to just quarter it lengthways, just here, so they're perfect to just stick your little fingers in and grab one of these lovely pickled cucumbers. So I'm gonna do a few of these. Now, you need to make sure that your jars that you're gonna use them in are sterilized. That's really, really important. So we want some in there. Now, you can pretty much pickle most things, like carrots, lovely, radish is even better. And of course, you've got your cabbage as well. But I think experimenting with pickling is a really nice thing to do, nice little Sunday activity. And then, of course, you get all those benefits of lovely kind of pickled veggies as well for the gut. Now, they, of course, need something to kind of ferment in, and that's where we come over to our nice boiling hot water. Now, to that, I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of vinegar. In we go there. I'm gonna add 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, and I'm gonna then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, just white sugar is okay with this one here. There we go. Just gonna mix that around. You just wanna bring that to a boil to make sure that everything is absorbed through. Now, you can keep the Qukes just as they are, but you can also add to them, pimp them up a little bit. I've got bay leaf just in there, and I've got some garlic. You can just put them whole just in there too. Some black peppercorns. Now, of course, if you don't like any of these ingredients, you don't have to put them in. You don't have to put so many in. You could just have black peppercorns too. A few of those. They look really great in the jar as well. And I think dill and cucumber are really best friends, okay? So I've got some dried dill in here as well. I'll take this one off the heat, and I'm simply gonna pour this into the jar, right to the top. Wonderful stuff. Let's bring this one around here. In we go. Now, all you've got to do is find a nice, cool place, 2 to 3 weeks, ideally, before you start eating these gorgeous little sour Qukes. And then you've got those for about 1 to 2 years. How fantastic is that?